Welcome to Rodaportal, where the world comes to learn and explore. On this channel, we dive into the wonders of nature, unravel the mysteries of science, journey through history, and explore the depth of human emotions. Our team of expert researchers and content creators work tirelessly to bring you engaging and reliable educational content. Whether you're curious about the world or seeking to expand your knowledge, Rodaportal has something for everyone. Discover fascinating facts, uncover hidden secrets, and embark on a journey of learning that's both exciting and enriching. Our videos are meticulously crafted, backed by reliable sources, and presented in a way that's easy to understand. Join our ever-growing community of curious minds who love exploring the world around us. Don't miss out on any of our latest videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with our educational adventures. Rodaportal, unlocking knowledge, empowering minds.